Welcome to Pamuka Wealth Empire, where we empower you to achieve financial freedom through smart investments and online money-making strategies. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investment. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a newbie, stay tuned as we explore some of the best strategies to grow your wealth through real estate. In this video, we'll break down the pros and cons of flipping properties versus holding them for long-term gains. We'll provide you with actionable insights and tips to help you make informed decisions in your real estate journey. So, grab a notebook and get ready to take your real estate investment game to the next level with Pamuka Wealth Empire. Real estate investment can be a game changer for your financial portfolio. It's a tangible asset that can appreciate over time and provide steady cash flow. But where do you start? Let's break down some popular strategies. Flipping houses, and the buy and hold approach. Diversifying your investments across different property types can mitigate risks. Education is key. Understanding market trends and investment strategies is crucial. Consulting with experts and setting clear investment goals can guide your decisions. With the right approach, real estate can be a rewarding venture. First up, flipping houses. This is a popular real estate investment strategy that has gained a lot of attention over the years. The idea is simple, but requires a lot of planning and execution. This strategy involves buying a property at a lower price, often because it needs significant repairs or updates, renovating it to increase its value, and then selling it for a profit. The process can be rewarding but also comes with its own set of challenges. It sounds simple, but let's dig into the details. There are several steps you need to follow to ensure a successful flip. Step 1. Find the right property. This is crucial because the right property can make or break your investment. Look for undervalued homes in promising neighborhoods. These are areas where property values are expected to rise. Use online real estate platforms and work with local realtors to spot deals. Step 2. Budget wisely. Calculate renovation costs accurately. This includes everything from materials to labor. Factor in materials, labor, permits, and a buffer for unexpected expenses. Renovation costs can quickly add up, so it's important to have a detailed budget. Step 3. Renovate smartly. Focus on high-impact areas like kitchens and bathrooms. These are the rooms that potential buyers often scrutinize the most. Use quality materials without overspending. It's a balance between making the property attractive and not blowing your budget. Step 4. Sell strategically. List the property at a competitive price. Pricing it too high can deter buyers, while pricing it too low can eat into your profits. Highlight the new features and upgrades to attract buyers quickly. Make sure to stage the home well for showings and take high-quality photos for listings. Interviewee flipping houses requires a keen eye for detail and a strong understanding of market trends. You need to know when to buy, what to renovate, and when to sell. The key is to buy low, renovate efficiently, and sell high. This strategy can be very profitable if done correctly, but it requires careful planning and execution. Always do your research and consult with experts if needed. Next, let's talk about the buy and hold strategy. This is a popular approach among real estate investors who are looking for a steady and reliable way to build wealth over time. Unlike flipping properties, which involves buying, renovating, and selling homes quickly for a profit, the buy and hold strategy is all about patience and long-term planning. This strategy involves purchasing properties and holding onto them to generate rental income and long-term appreciation. By renting out the property, you can create a consistent stream of income that can help cover your mortgage payments and other expenses. Over time, as the property appreciates in value, you can also benefit from significant equity gains. Step 1. Choose the right location. The location of your property is crucial to the success of your investment. Properties in good school districts with access to amenities and public transportation tend to attract reliable tenants who are willing to pay higher rents. Look for areas with low crime rates, good schools, and a strong job market. Step 2. Analyze the numbers. Before purchasing a property, it's important to carefully analyze the financial aspects of the investment. Calculate your expected rental income and subtract expenses like mortgage payments, maintenance costs, property taxes, and insurance premiums. This will help you determine whether the property will generate a positive cash flow. Step 3. Manage your property. Proper property management is essential to the success of the buy and hold strategy. This includes everything from finding and screening tenants to handling maintenance requests and ensuring that the property is well maintained. Step 4. Plan for the long term. The buy and hold strategy is all about long-term growth and stability. This means being patient and staying committed to your investment even during market fluctuations. Hold on to your property as it increases in value, providing you with significant equity gains. Equity is the difference between the market value of the property and the amount you owe on your mortgage. As you pay down your mortgage and the property appreciates, your equity increases, which can provide you with financial flexibility and opportunities for future investments. Interviewee. The buy and hold strategy provides steady income and long-term growth. By focusing on quality properties in desirable locations and managing them effectively, you can create a reliable source of income and build wealth over time. Both strategies have their pros and cons. Flipping can yield quick profits but comes with higher risks and requires more hands-on involvement. The potential for significant returns in a short period is attractive, but market fluctuations and renovation challenges can pose substantial risks. On the other hand, buy and hold offers steady income and long-term growth. This strategy requires patience and effective property management. While it provides a more stable and predictable cash flow, it also involves dealing with tenants, maintenance issues, and the potential for property value depreciation. Ultimately, the choice between flipping and holding depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and the amount of time and effort you are willing to invest. Here are some tips to succeed in real estate investment. 1. Do your research. Understand the market trends and property values. This means staying updated with the latest market reports and analyzing historical data to predict future trends. 2. Build a network. Connect with realtors, contractors, and other investors. Attend local real estate meetups and online forums to expand your connections. 3. Educate yourself continuously. Attend seminars, workshops, and courses to stay informed about the latest strategies and regulations. 4. Stay organized. Keep detailed records of all transactions and expenses. Use software tools to manage your properties and finances efficiently. 5. Analyze deals thoroughly. Don't rush into a purchase. Evaluate the potential return on investment and consider all associated costs. 6. Find a mentor. Learning from someone with experience can provide invaluable insights and guidance. 7. Be patient. Real estate investment is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time and effort. Success stories often involve years of hard work and perseverance. Take, for example, Jane Doe, who started with a single property and now owns a portfolio of 20 properties. Her journey was filled with challenges, but her persistence paid off. Remember, success in real estate investment comes from a combination of knowledge, networking, organization, and patience. Stay committed, and you can achieve your investment goals. Real estate investment can be incredibly rewarding if done right. Whether you choose to flip houses or go the buy and hold route, the key is to stay informed, be strategic, and never stop learning. Real estate is a dynamic field that requires constant adaptation and a keen eye for market trends. By staying updated with the latest market insights and continuously educating yourself, you can make informed decisions that lead to profitable outcomes. Networking with other investors and attending seminars can provide valuable perspectives and opportunities. Remember, every successful investor started somewhere, and with dedication and the right knowledge, you too can achieve great success in real estate. It's important to build a strong foundation of knowledge and experience. Thanks for watching Pamuka Wealth Empire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money online and smart investing. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we dive deeper into advanced strategies and success stories. See you in the next video. Remember, the journey to real estate success is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep learning, stay motivated, and your efforts will pay off. Pause 3S. In this chapter, we will delve deeper into advanced real estate investment strategies, including leveraging, tax benefits, and market analysis. This will provide a comprehensive understanding for seasoned investors. Let's start with leveraging. Leveraging allows you to use borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment. By using other people's money, you can control a larger asset base and amplify your returns. However, it's essential to manage your debt wisely to avoid financial pitfalls. Next, let's talk about tax benefits. Real estate investments come with numerous tax advantages, such as deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. Understanding these benefits can significantly reduce your taxable income and increase your overall profitability. Consulting with a tax professional can help you maximize these advantages. Lastly, market analysis is crucial for making informed investment decisions. By analyzing market trends, rental yields, and property values, you can identify lucrative opportunities and mitigate risks. Tools such as comparative market analysis, CMA, and real estate investment software can provide valuable insights to guide your strategy. By mastering these advanced strategies, you can take your real estate investment portfolio to the next level. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are key to thriving in the ever-evolving real estate market. Stay tuned to Pamuka Wealth Empire for more in-depth tips and strategies to boost your investment success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. In this chapter, we will explore case studies of successful real estate investments, analyzing the strategies used and the outcomes achieved. This will offer practical insights and inspiration for aspiring investors. Pause 2S. Case Study 1. Sarah's Flipping Success. Sarah, a seasoned investor, purchased a distressed property in a promising neighborhood. She leveraged her network to find reliable contractors and completed the renovation within budget. By focusing on modern upgrades and curb appeal, Sarah sold the property at a 30% profit within 6 months. Her success highlights the importance of market research, budget management, and strategic renovations. Pause 2S. Case Study 2. John's Buy and Hold Triumph. John invested in a multifamily property in an up-and-coming area. He focused on long-term tenants and maintained the property diligently. Over the years, the property's value appreciated significantly, and John's rental income provided a steady cash flow. His strategy underscores the benefits of patience, property maintenance, and choosing the right location for buy-and-hold investments. Pause 2S. Case Study 3. Emily's Leveraging Mastery. Emily utilized leveraging to acquire multiple properties with minimal upfront capital. By carefully managing her debt and choosing properties with high rental yields, she maximized her returns and expanded her portfolio rapidly. Emily's approach demonstrates the power of leveraging when executed with caution and precision. Pause 2S. These case studies illustrate that with the right strategies, research, and execution, real estate investment can yield substantial rewards. Learn from these examples and apply the lessons to your investment journey. Pause 2S. Thank you for watching Pamuka Wealth Empire. Stay tuned for more insightful content to help you succeed in your real estate endeavors. In this chapter, we will discuss the future of real estate investment, including emerging trends, technological advancements, and potential challenges. This will help investors stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions. Pause 2S. Emerging trends. One notable trend is the growing interest in sustainable and eco-friendly properties. Investors are increasingly focusing on buildings with green certifications, energy-efficient systems, and sustainable materials. This shift is driven by consumer demand and regulatory changes aimed at reducing carbon footprints. Pause 2S. Technological advancements. Technology is revolutionizing the real estate industry. Virtual reality and augmented reality are transforming property tours, allowing buyers to explore homes remotely. Blockchain technology is streamlining transactions and enhancing security. Additionally, big data and AI are providing invaluable insights into market trends, helping investors make data-driven decisions. Pause 2S. Potential challenges. Despite the promising future, investors must be aware of potential challenges. Market volatility, regulatory changes, and economic uncertainties can impact real estate investments. Staying informed and adaptable is crucial to navigating these challenges successfully. Pause 2S. By understanding these emerging trends, technological advancements, and potential challenges, investors can position themselves for success in the evolving real estate landscape. Stay proactive, embrace innovation, and stay informed to make the most of future opportunities. Pause 2S. Thank you for watching Pamuka Wealth Empire. Stay tuned for more insightful content to help you succeed in your real estate endeavors. Pause 2S.